Actually, with Vesc, it feels much better board. I'm not gonna push it today for any records, but already I'm doing 17. With XR tire on a Pint rim, it still feels really nimble, maneuverable. But 1P configuration, of course, it shows weaknesses pretty good. I'm doing right now 18, 19 or so, and it's showing 65-67% of duty cycle. This Pint, it's really amazing, guys. And the best part, like I said, it's a Vesc 18S 1P. Let's tap it right here. Actually, brakes, I have to increase it a little bit regen. It doesn't hold myself. But look at that. The best part, it looks identical as the original Pint, just bigger tire. Yeah, XR tire, it's actually quite impressive. And it's really enjoyable to ride it. I don't want to get too crazy, pushing over 20 or so, but it feels awesome, really good. 19, 20, well, it's according to app. I got GPS sensor on me. We will see how much it's going after when I make this video. Well, guys, so far so good. It's super cold. Right now it's low Tories. Yeah, but it's really amazing what Vesc can do on a stock. Well, it's not stock because it's got Vesc and bigger battery. Like I said, it's a 18S 1P 21700 cells, but it's really amazing. It's really amazing. It's a 5000 milliamp battery. Oh, let's go on that uphill. Holy crap, I'm doing 17. That's a little too much. On original Pint configuration on this hill, I was doing like 5-6 miles or so. Yeah, I better not push it in a first ride that fast. Okay, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumb up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.